Hello, myself Praveen Thorat, and my today's topic is difference between C++ and Java. There are so many differences in C++ and Java, and also similarities between and Java. Well, comparison of to Java is platform independent. C++ is platform independent. C++ is platform dependent, and Java is platform independent. And then second one is uses of C++ language is mainly used for system programming, and Java is used for application programming. It is widely used in Windows-based web applications, enterprise and mobile applications. And then in C++, design was made for systems and applications programming. It was an extension of C programming, in C programming language. And in Java, uh, Java was designed to created as an interpreter for printing systems, but later extended as a support network computing. It was designed to be easy to use and accessible to broader audience. Then in C++ language, it supports go-to statement, and Java doesn't support the go-to statement. There is a multiple inheritance in C++ language. It supports multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance through class. It can achieve by using interface in Java. In C++, operator overloading supports, and in Java language doesn't support operator overloading. There are pointers features. This include security features. In C++ supports pointer. We can write a pointer program in C++. In Java programming language supports pointer internally, but is explicit. However, we can't write the pointer program in Java. It means Java has restricted pointer support in Java. Then a compiler and interpreter in C++ language uses compiler only. C++ is compiled and run using the compiler, which converts source code into machine. And so C++ is platform dependent. In Java programming language, uh, compiler and interpreter both uses in Java programming language. Java source code is converted into bytecode at compilation time. The interpreter executes the bytecode at runtime and produces output. Java is interpreted, that is why it is a platform independent. And then in C++ language, call by value and call by reference means in C++ supports both call by value and call by reference. In Java programming language supports call by value only. There is no call by reference in Java programming language. Structures and union. The in C++ language supports structures and union. Java doesn't support structures and unions. Their thread support in C++ language is have built-in support for thread support. In Java programming language has built-in thread support. In C++ language it relies on third-party libraries for thread support. Documentation comment. C++ doesn't have a built-in C++ doesn't have a documentation comment. In C++ supports documentation comments. Java supports documentation comments like slash star star to create a documentation for Java source code. Here is a virtual keyword. C++ programming language supports virtual keywords so that we can decide whether or not to override a function. In Java, Java has no virtual keyboard. We can override all non-static methods by default. In other words, non-static methods are virtual by default. Unsigned write shift. C++ doesn't support a write shift operator. Java supports unsigned write shift operator. That has fills 0 at the top for negative numbers. For positive numbers, it works same like operator. And then inheritance tree. C++ always creates a new inheritance tree, and in Java always use a single inheritance tree because all classes are a child of object class in Java. The object class is the root of inheritance tree in Java. Then C++ is nearer to hardware, and Java is not too interactive with hardware. It is built in with the help of RAM and softwares. Object oriented C++ programming language is an object oriented language. However, in C++ language, single root hierarchy is not possible. In Java, it is also object oriented language. However, everything except fundamental things, this is accepted in Java. Thank you so much.